आबिद भाई, आपकी ज़िंदगी की कहानी कहाँ से कहाँ तक? आप शुरू करते हो लिखने से, कार्टून्स, पेंटिंग करते हो और अब आपकी दौड़ है पानी के पीछे। आप इस अभियान से कैसे शुरू हुए? आपकी इंस्पिरेशन क्या थी?
इसकी शुरुआत मेरे बचपन से जुड़ी हुई है। मेरी परवरिश जो हुई वो फुटपाथ पर हुई और मेरी अम्मी को, माई मदर यूज टू गेट अप अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग, 3 बजे 4 बजे, और पब्लिक टेप पर क्यू लगाती थी वहाँ। एंड समटाइम्स शी हैड टू फाइट फॉर अर राइट्स। एक बकेट पानी के लिए, 2 बूंद के लिए लड़ाई हो रही है। ये सब विरासत ये मेरे साथ चली। और जब भी मैं किसी दोस्त के घर गया और कोई नल टपकता हुआ देखा तो मुझे यहाँ तकलीफ शुरू हो जाती थी कि क्या करूँ इसको। दोस्त से कहता था प्लीज़ गेट इट रिपेयर्ड। वो कहता यस यस इट विल बी डन। आफ्टर 6 months आई विजिटेड दोज फ्रेंड्स अगेन I saw the same tap leaking. Again I asked the same question. आपने अब तक why didn't you get it repaired? तो बोले no plumber is prepared to come for such a petty job. अब और साथ में फिर ये भी कहते थे कि आबिद why are you getting worried about such few drops are going? Why are you worried about that? I did not have any answer because it was my personal tragedy. This was something within which I was feeling it. I could not explain it to them. Then suddenly, one Sunday morning, I read in a newspaper, in 1 second, if 1 drop goes waste, 1 drop drips, then in 1 month, 1,000 liters of water goes down the drain. This hit me like anything. 1,000 bottles of drinking water going down the drain, I visualized it. I got the answer. I said, this is very simple. In a way, there was a problem also with them also, that plumbers were not coming. So I got the answer that go to their house with a plumber and just get it repaired. So like that, this thought was the birth of one man NGO.
And this NGO was called Drop Dead Foundation?
Yeah, Drop Dead Foundation.
तो इसकी शुरुआत आपने करी
जी।
इसमें कोई दिक्कतें आपको आई? आफ्टर ऑल इट इज़ नॉट समथिंग दैट यू आर जॉइनिंग एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, ये आपने खुद ही पैदा किया। आप प्लम्बर आपके साथ जुड़े और आपने ये शुरू किया। तो आपको ये जो काम था आप फ्री कर रहे थे, आपको क्या लगता है कि दिक्कतें थी या नहीं थी?
There was a beautiful problem when I started it. I say, I mean, all problems are beautiful to me. So this was also a very beautiful problem. Okay, when I went house to house with a plumber, myself and one plumber, people, even after knowing it, कि भाई मैं किस काम के लिए आ रहा हूँ, they were hesitant to open the door. कई बार तो दरवाजा मुंह पे बंद कर दिया।
बिल्कुल।
तो मैं सोच रहा था ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है, जबकि जानते हैं कि भाई हम इस काम के लिए आ रहे हैं। Then one fine morning, again like that newspaper, I realized the problem कहाँ था कि जब हम जाते थे किसी बिल्डिंग में, किसी घर में, अपार्टमेंट हाउस, the plumber used to ring the bell. So when the door was open, they saw plumber's face which looked like a terrorist. So then I decided I should have a pretty girl with me. She should stand in front. So Tejal is here. She is my partner. And the problem was solved.
Right. अब आप मुझे बताइए कि आप ड्रॉप डेड फाउंडेशन आपने इस्टेब्लिश किया और आपने काम शुरू किया। प्लम्बर के जो पैसे हैं वो कहाँ से आता है? क्या ये काम फ्री होता है? आबिद सूरती को कुछ मिलता है इसमें, या फिर कोई और मोडस ऑपरेंडी है इसका?
ये काम हम टोटली फ्री करते हैं, नो चार्ज। प्लम्बर इज फ्री, प्लस द स्मॉल जॉब्स लाइक वॉशर, नॉर्मली वॉशर गेट्स ख़राब हो जाता है, घिस जाता है, तो वो हम फ्री लगा देते हैं। तो इस तरह अब ये फंडिंग कहाँ से, प्लम्बर का पैसा, शी से प्लम्बर का पैसा कहाँ से आता है, वॉशर का पैसा कहाँ से, वेयर डू आई गेट मनी फॉर वॉशर्स, वेयर डू आई गेट मनी फॉर प्लम्बर्स. तो देन when I started it, before I started it, I also thought about it. Where am I going to get all this money? And suddenly, 1 lakh rupiah, 1 lakh rupees, I got as a lifetime achievement award for my literature. Now, that was not for literature, because God knew that I am doing good for the society, so I must get money. So he found this channel of getting me money. Otherwise, so many, since years, nobody thought of giving me any award. This was the first award I got. So that money, 1 lakh rupees, I kept aside and started working on Drop Dead Foundation. Now we have worked out a simple module that on Monday, my partner Tejal goes, meets the Housing Society Secretary, talks to him. If he agrees and allows us to work in the building, then we put up a poster. Poster is just like this: save every drop. It's a big size poster. Save every drop or drop dead. So that poster, drop dead, has a multi-meaning.
Correct.
So the people who live in that building, say 5-story building, apartment building, people come and go, they watch it, drop dead, it keeps on hammering on them. On Saturday, we sent our pamphlets to every house. What is Drop Dead Foundation? So now they know that this is a foundation which works free of charge, and this is just to save water and help people. तो ये इस तरह.
बट ये तो 1 लाख रुपए से आपने काम किया.
ये जी
इसके बाद क्या हुआ? 1 लाख रुपए अभी भी चल रहा है या फिर आपको कहीं और से फंडिंग मिली?
1 lakh rupees. I started in 2007, 2007, 2008, 2009, or 2010 money got over. Because I spent on t-shirt, I spent on pamphlets, I spent on publicity. सारा पैसा उसमें हो गया. Then I thought that now I work for about 3-4 years. It's enough. I have created awareness in my community where I live. So I should fold it. But he never wanted it. So again 50,000 rupees for my Hindi literature by Maharashtra government.
I should mention here that Abid Bhai does not do this Monday to Sunday. He works only on Sunday. So the rest of the time he's doing his other activities, which are writing and making cartoons and painting. Ji, boliye.
So again that money came, 50,000. So the movement moved forward. But there is a one catch in this. If you are working honestly, then only he becomes your fundraiser. And he keeps on sending money.
पर मुझे लगता है आबिद भाई आपकी डायरेक्ट डायलिंग फैसिलिटी है. हॉट कनेक्शन.
Hotline. So what I say is, that is, if you are totally honest, this is the basic condition. I give you one example how he tries us, whether guy is honest or not. So when in 2010 the money got over, and I was wondering what should I do, then one income tax commissioner of Bombay, he came to know that Abid Bhai is going to close the shutters, बंद करने वाले हैं अपनी दुकान, तो उनकी कोई मदद की जाए. So he took an appointment. We met at the press club over drinks, and then he asked me, Abid Bhai, how much you want? And one income tax commissioner of Bombay asking me how much. So I started calculating. So calculation में हुआ कि if I get 30 lakhs, I will have my office. I will have my plumber whole day sitting with me. And I will have one bicycle also. So if somebody's tape starts leaking, he just has to call
Abid Sur.
Or plumber goes on bicycle. It's a neighborhood activity.
Abid Bhai, let me come back to the modus operandi. आप ये अपने अभियान तो आपने शुरू किया, मीरा रोड में आपने काफ़ी सफलता पाई, क्या आपको लगता है कि ये बाकी जगहों में बदलाव ला रहा है? कैन यू सी अ चेंज हैपनिंग इन पीपल?
बहुत ज़बरदस्त चेंज, और सबसे पहला चेंज जो आया वो जर्मनी में आया। जर्मन नेशनल चैनल, टीवी चैनल, they came down to Mira Road where I live, stayed with me for one whole day, shot the film, 10 minutes film, and it was shown all over Europe.
तो आप हीरो बन
Then-
गए।
Yeah. बन गए नहीं हूँ। Then another TV channel came, that was a private channel, again from Berlin. So this was very surprising. कि before America could get up, these people are there with me here. Normally people,
आपने बंगाल में भी कुछ काम किया इसके बारे में?
कई बंगाल में भी किया। बंगाल में मैं कुछ नहीं कर रहा हूँ। People have picked up
Okay.
all over India and all over the globe. For example, if you want to start, so I will give you my pamphlet design, poster design, sticker design, whatever I have online, I will give you everything. You just, in the pamphlet, you have to make little change. In poster, you don't have to make any change because there is no name mentioned. So in pamphlet, you delete my address, put your address. You delete my telephone number, put your number, and you delete my name also. It's not a franchise. It's your baby.
So Abid Surti
So I'm
is
giving
not
you baby.
limited to Mira Road. Abid Surti goes traveling to various places using
Correct.
the modus of other people. Abid भाई, अभी आप हीरो तो बन गए। मैंने सुना कि शाहरुख खान भी काफ़ी डर गए आपसे।
शाहरुख खान भी।
शेखर कपूर भी काफ़ी डर गए। आपको शायद पता नहीं है कि शेखर कपूर कल हमारे साथ जुड़ेंगे इस अभियान में और अपनी कहानियाँ बताएंगे। आप मुझे बताइए कि आबिद सुरती क्या संदेश देना चाहते हैं मुंबई वासियों के लिए?
Just I tell, when I go house to house, people start criticizing about water. This government has swindled so many crores of rupees. Ganga योजना में इतने खा गए, उतने खा गए. I said, don't talk. Think of the solution. क्या आपने एक खत लिखा मनमोहन सिंह को कि पैसे खाए जा रहे हैं? So they are all quiet. So what my message is, don't talk about the problem, think of the solution.
So thank you very much, Abid bhai. Ladies and gentlemen, Abid Surti, the water savior. आप इस अभियान से जुड़े हैं। I'm sure that a lot of you will sign up to help him. Thank you very much.